The reason we would actually solve a formula for a variable, like here in number 4, is to make work easier, as in the following situation. Use the results from part D, actually that should be part 4, sorry. To complete the following table, round numbers to the nearest tenth. Well, this table is giving us a host of Fahrenheit degrees, and we want to find corresponding Celsius degrees. If we used our original formula, this guy, we'd have to plug in 8 there, 25 there, all of these values into here, and then go through this same algebra to find the corresponding Celsius degrees. But we did the algebra once, and now we can use either one of these equivalent forms of our new equivalent formula, which really gives us C values for a given F value. So I can use either one of these. I'm going to use this last guy, and the idea here is to plug in 8, the Fahrenheit degree temperature here, and now it should be fairly easy to calculate because all the algebra is done. You just got to evaluate this left hand side to get the corresponding C value. So I'm going to replace F with 8 on my calculator. So that looks like this. I have 5 times 8 minus 160, parenthesis, divided by 9. And so an 8-degree Fahrenheit day is corresponding to negative 13.3 degrees Celsius. And so you see how easy that is? So now I don't have to go through all this algebra again. I just use these formulas, one of these guys, to get my C values that I'm looking for. So I'm going to keep using that and then replace 25, 99, and 108 in there. So I'm going to hit second enter. My insert button, which is second delete, 25, and then I'm going to hit delete. So that gives me that value. I'm going to do second enter, and then 99 for that. And then lastly, I'm going to hit second delete to enter 108. So delete those two guys out. So there are my answers here for these guys right here. So 25-degree Fahrenheit day is negative 3.9 degrees Celsius, and so on. So this is 37.2, 42.2. All right, so that's why we would use, or this idea of solving a formula for a variable.